Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you missing? And you listen. And you listen.
Good morning, guys. Just finished quickly getting ready. I have my health final today at 10, so I didn't actually do anything. I just put clothes on. And I packed up 2 boxes, books I have to return, and now I'm going to leave. I'm just wearing a sweater, leggings, and boots because I like to be comfortable while I take tests. And that's it. I need some chapstick. And I'm gonna go, but I figured I'd start the vlog, so. Hey guys, I got on my test. It went pretty well. I feel like I knew all of the answers, I think. It was all essays, so. There was only one question where I'm like, I don't even know if I'm answering this right at all, but I answered all my questions fully. I think I did fine, but my only concern was that I was done an hour early and no one else was done. I used to be the first person to finish tests in like high school and college, but in law school, I'm never the first one to finish. So the fact that I was done in 3 hours, I was like, no one else is done. Does this mean I did something wrong? But like I looked through everything and it was all there, so. But I dropped off a textbook at UPS to return. I also returned 2 other textbooks to my school because I rented them from our school's bookstore, which felt really good. And now I'm going home. I do have to stop at the post office to drop off those Lord & Taylor shoes because I forgot to do that. And then I'm going to study for PR, probably just like an hour, you know, go through, like do one final practice test and, you know, whichever ones I get wrong, figure out. But I feel really prepared for that test. So I think in total I studied like 10 hours. So I think that's pretty good for a multiple choice test that we can bring our book to. So I say so much. But it's 1:40, and that's what sucks about exams, is that you get there I got there at 9, and then you leave and it's 1:40, but it still feels like the morning to me because I haven't been outside all day. And also there's no windows in our classroom, so I really just feel like it's still morning, like it's 11 o'clock, but it's actually almost 2. But I'm going to the post office, and then I'm going home, and I'll update you later. So you guys know this song? I'm assuming you guys know that song, Happier, by like, I don't know who it's by, some DJ or something, I don't know. Song Happier. I left that song until I watched the music video. Why is a song that's called Happier about a dog dying? Excuse me? Because now when I listen to that song, I want to cry. Because it's about this girl who's like bullied at school or something, and she has no friends. And her dad gets her a dog for her birthday, and she like grows up with this dog, loves the dog so much. And then like the dog eats all these pills, or I believe that's what's happening in the video. Like the dog eats all these pills. It's an older dog by this time. Eats all these pills and then dies. And they have to like put the dog down, or you know, whatever, the dog dies. I'm like, so why would you name this song Happier? And it's a happy song and it's about a dog dying. Because now you ruined it. Now I don't ever want to hear that song, because all I can think about is that freaking dog dying. Hi! I'm home now. And I'm very, very, very tired. I underestimated how tired I would be. Finals really kill your soul, your will to do anything, your drive, just all of it. After a final, I cannot function, and I forgot about this. But I'm laying in bed watching Kiki Chanel's new Vlogmas. She's the funniest person ever. And Jesse's bringing me lunch slash probably dinner, because if I eat at 3 o'clock, I'm not going to be hungry for dinner. So, and all I had today was a Pop-Tart, so I guess it's kind of breakfast too. But this is going to be a really short vlog, I guess, because I just don't plan on doing anything else. I'm going to fold some laundry, but that's it. I figured I'd update you. I'm so tired. Oh, Peach is here. Hi, Peach. Alright guys, because this vlog has literally no content in it, like I really didn't do anything today. Well, I did, but just nothing I could vlog. I posted on Instagram yesterday, you know, those things that are going around, like tell me something you assume about me and I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. I was going to initially answer them on Instagram, but I figured since I didn't do anything in this vlog, we will answer them here. First one, that your parents have money. People, I did this once before and that was like a big question I got. We are a middle class family. By no means are we rich at all, and I grew up middle class. I mean, I'm not rich. My parents aren't rich at all, so no, I'm gonna say no. Justin Bieber over One Direction. I don't like either of them. I assume you're very humble and kind, but once someone gets on your bad side, it's over. It's over for a little while, but I'm really someone who doesn't hold a grudge. So, like, if you piss me off, I'll be mad at you for like a day and then I'll just be over it. You know, like, I don't hold a grudge. You don't take shit from people and you stand up for yourself. Yes, always. Which has caused me a lot of fights in my life, but I don't let people just step all over me. You don't like to party. Wrong, you must be new here. You are very negative. No. And I get that comment a lot that I'm so negative, but I think the thing is that people are so used to people on YouTube being so happy and so bubbly all the time that they think when anyone is honest, that's negativity. But this is real life. This is what a real person does. YouTubers whose full-time job is to vlog their day, who are so happy and bubbly all the time, I can guarantee you once they click that camera off, they're like, ugh. They're a normal freaking person. They're not like that all the time. So just because I'm honest with my emotions and I'm not peppy and smiley and oh my god, like, hey guys, like, what, like, just being an airhead basically doesn't mean I'm negative. You come from a long line / ancestry of lawyers. No, I'm the only lawyer to be in my family. I assume you score a 130 on your LSAT. I'm assuming that was supposed to be an insult, and you didn't even use the correct grammar to insult me. But no, I did not score a 130 on my LSAT. A lot of them are like, you are tall. Yes, I'm tall. I'm 5'8". You will graduate top of your class at law school. I mean, that's the plan. I assume that you're super organized and always serious. Well, I assume that you're always organized and super serious all the time. I'm very super organized and I'm serious, but I also know how to have fun, and like I said, I like to party. So I think I'm a good balance of serious and having fun, because I do have a lot of fun in my life. I just don't really vlog that, like going out or things like that, because I just don't find that appropriate. You don't voluntarily speak in lectures. It depends. That's correct in classes that are like a traditional law school class where it's just cold calls. I do not raise my hand. People who raise their hand all the time in class when it's a cold call kind of class, the worst kind of people. The worst. But if it's a small class, like my AAA class, I will raise my hand. And last year we had in my Civ Pro, it was more just like talking and raising hands towards the end of the semester. It wasn't as much cold calling, and I raised my hand. But I'll pretty much only raise my hand if I'm sure of the answer. I won't raise my hand if I just have a hunch. You hate rap music. No, I actually like a lot of rap music. You know what song I love right now is Sicko Mode by Travis Scott, and I didn't think I liked Travis Scott, but I love that song. And I do love a lot of rap music. You like to keep things clean at all times. You can't have a mess. Correct. That you don't have any black friends. I had to ask. LOL. That's just false, and I don't understand. I've gotten that question before, or that statement. You don't even see my friends. Like, I have shown 2 people on my channel out of all the people I'm friends with. No. Like, I don't understand what those questions are getting at. I assume you're from upstate New York. No. You've always worked really hard in school. Yes, I've always, even in elementary school, I'm someone who is obsessed with their grades and school. You get annoyed easily. Yes. You don't want kids. I got a lot of those. I do want kids, but not until later in life. You're super chill and to yourself mostly. Yes, I'm very go with the, you would think because I'm like so organized and uptight about my grades and I'm serious about school that I'm not go with the flow, but I am a very go with the flow type of person, and I keep to myself mostly. I feel like I'm a pretty even balance of talking to my friends and then being someone who like doesn't talk to anyone. You're a homebody and social things are too much or too annoying. It depends on my mood, seriously, because it's so weird. Thursdays, I like snap and I want to go hang out with my friends and go out to the bar and do this and that. But Sunday, I'm like, no, I don't want to leave my house. I need to stay home and do homework. So it really just depends on the mood I'm in. You're a morning person as opposed to staying up really late. Yes, 100,000%. You're naturally smart. I would say so, because most of my life I didn't really have to work hard to get good grades. It just kind of happened. But in law school, I'm definitely not naturally smart. I have to study. But those are all of them. I mean, they're not all of them. I have like 100 responses probably, but I can't scroll all the way through them right now because I'll die. But there you go. So if you guys want more content like that, sort of like impromptu Q&A sort of situations, let me know in the comments. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because that's where I usually will post stuff like that. But it's now almost 6. I haven't studied. I'm not going to study today, I've decided. I studied so much for this final. I feel like I just don't have to study anymore. In a little while, I'll take a shower, do my night routine, which isn't even a routine, as I've said. It's kind of just like shower, get my bag ready for tomorrow, and go to sleep. That's all. I just wanted to throw some extra content in here since the vlog's probably like 2 minutes long. I'm going now. Maybe I'll study. I kind of feel guilty now that I said I'm not going to study. But I'll let you know. Jessie is on a severely new level of annoying today. And I also look awful. He has his work shirt on, so he can't come in here right now. But just know he's very annoying. And that you're not missing out on anything. Jessie, if you do anything with that duct tape, make sure it's all covered.
That is good enough, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you have anything you want to say?
You're beautiful and true. What's in your face? In a crowded space. You.
Can I put some in your hair? You're gonna take a shower.
She fucking sprays that shit.
It's good for your hair. Come here.
And
let's just
you
see what it
intoxicate
does.
Peach.
Let's see what it does. It's for the vlog.
No.
It'll be fine.
No.
You're gonna take a shower. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna take a shower.
Oh, okay.
I'm on your shower schedule.
You're on my shower schedule?
Yeah. Why don't you tell everyone what your shower schedule is?
It's no one's business.
What is, Grace?
I shower when I feel like it. This is what it's like living with... This is what it's like living with your boyfriend. I added it. You rip your pants? You rip your pants?
We're ready for it.
Oh my god. So I'm editing my Vlogmas for tomorrow. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of editing and what goes into the description box and stuff like that, because a lot of you guys always ask to see more like behind the scenes stuff. So I'm going to show you. So I use Final Cut Pro and I just import all my clips. And first thing I do is I edit in chronological order. So I just edit like how I want the video to be set up. So I import all the clips. I have to speed some up and put some music over it. I have to color correct each clip because if I want it to look like how this clip looks, and if I want it to look like that, I have to color correct it. So I have to color correct all of my clips. And then I will add, after I have all the clips in there, edited like with the speed and everything, then I'll add transitions. And then after transitions, I add music. And then after music, I add like the text that you see. And my intro is a pre-made thing. Well, like I made it, but it's just a video that I have to add to the beginning of my vlog. And at the end, this is also pre-made, so I just have to drag it in. So I don't have to like edit that every single time. And as for the description box, if I have extra time, what I'll do is write the description box out before I upload it. So what I wanted to say, and then I always link my outfit. And also on YouTube, you can set your upload defaults. Sorry, my face looks like so blotchy. I don't know what's going on. But you can set your upload defaults. So all the stuff that you see in my description, like this, it's already there. So I don't have to write this every single time I upload a video because that would be very annoying. So all my links, and you know, I always link my makeup, and like I always link my makeup and the stuff you see in most videos, my planner, coffee maker, the highlighters, things I get a lot of questions about. And then my frequently asked questions, which I don't think anyone actually reads. My affiliate link disclosure, because you have to do that by law. And then the videos on this channel are for entertainment purposes only. I am not a lawyer, and my videos, comments, and other posts are on my own and not legal advice.
In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate but equally important groups. The police who investigate the crimes and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders. These are their stories.
And you can also set your tags too. So you don't have to write your tags every single time. So that's a little tip if you didn't know. When you make YouTube videos, you can set all of this. So you don't have to write it every single time. Because I didn't know about this for a while and I'd have to copy and paste it in every time, and you don't have to do that. Anyways, that's it. I just wanted to show you that. And I'm going to go back to editing now. Alright, well I just finished editing this video aside from this one clip, and I'm going to end the video now. It's 8 o'clock. You already know. I'm watching House. I'll probably watch House until like 10, go to sleep, and you'll see me tomorrow. The great thing about Vlogmas is that I don't have to tell you what I'm doing tomorrow because you'll just find out tomorrow. So, thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, because somehow it ended up being a 20-minute video when it was supposed to be like 10, let me know in a comment. Tell me that you made it to the end, because I always like to know. And that's it. Peace out.
I don't know what you've been told, but the sky right here is gonna rule the world. Yeah, that is where I'm gonna be, because I wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still.